I gotta flip. Oh gosh. Everyone, it's Future P here. So initially this video was recorded on November 17th of the year of 2020, but the video is going to be about how my family barbecued for the very first time in 11 years, and in addition to that, it was gonna have a recording in terms of me getting my hair braided for the first time in many years. Don't quote me on the years, but the video was going to be very long, so I decided to split it in two. So this video is going to be about how my family barbecued for the very first time in how many years. So I hope that you enjoy it. And I did not record the whole process of chicken preparation and those things, but I hope you still enjoy the little video. So enjoy.
Like easy now.
Yeah.
You can't put any wood in.
Certain only the ones I could light.
No, pitch pine, you put pitch pine spoil all.
You can smell weird.
Taste.
Oh. Okay. He's going to light up the coals to do some barbecue.
Yes, it's cold.
You feel like go work?
Yes, it's cold. That's light. The only stuff you can work is really wet.
Oh.
If it's wet, that you can use it back on your arm. This is old one. This is what we used already. It's too big. It's hard to break it up, you know.
Yeah, because and you have to look at the height. Because then the
When it catch now.
Okay.
When it catch, then you study that.
PJJ BOSS original. PJJ BOSS original. PJJ BOSS original.
Something when you put in firewood.
This is better. Okay.
Watch it. A lot of people stick a piece of iron and blow in it. So put the iron in.
Oh.
I was going for a piece now, but catching enough, good enough.
PJJ BOSS original.
Nothing. Making fried rice. Mama Dearest does not want to be on YouTube.
No. Not at all.
So I will minimize it to mainly the pot.
Wait, but watching the pot.
So what's going on now with the veggies?
Let it steam for a few minutes, and then I'll show everything in.
Alright.
So you can return.
So right now, Dad is outside, as you saw earlier, lighting up the coals. And my mom is making fries. This is the first time that we're making homemade barbecue in over 11 years. It has been forever since we have made barbecue at home, because it takes a lot of work. It's a lot of work and it's a lot of effort, and you have to have the time and the energy to do it. But I'm telling you, at the end of it all, it is always be worth it, because something about home barbecue, this just tastes different and better. I will decide if I will put this in a separate video or not. Excuse the hair, as you all know, it's gonna get braided, so hence the reason why it is not to 100% at the moment. So that's the pot.
No worry for nothing in yet.
So it's basically marinating, or you're letting it saute. I'm not sure of the terminology. So it's just there cooking at the moment. We'll be back very soon. She's adding in the rice. So she's adding in her secret ingredients that all recipe books clearly has. There's no secret in this, so. Soy sauce.
Get your towel in
I'm not gonna get her in her towel, Mom. Mother doing what she does. He's still dealing with the coals to get it hot. You know what I'm saying? Let's take a while. Yeah.
Yeah, the cold one.
Really.
Probably fresh one with a don't like up.
Yeah.
And
And it is done. The fried rice is done. So I'll be going now. My mother is telling me get out. Okay.
PJJ Boss Original.
See if it got the tarmac, so maybe but that's clip out because
Yeah, that gotta flip.
Oh gosh, nice piece of flesh.
yeah.
It's sticking.
Yeah, get a nice style, you know.
PJJ Boss Original.
You didn't put that sauce on it yet?
Yes, I put sauce on one
You put
side.
it up or you looking?
One side.
Or the
This
next
side,
side.
I get it.
But I blow the fire now, girl. You may know nothing about cooking with fire.
Use the
I tell
fan
you,
if you are
you-
using
it.
you know about cooking with fire?
No.
Cook with firewood.
Here now is the sweetest
Completely
food ever.
different taste.
Yes, it's true. It's a sweet food. Here now, and it could be whatever. Eh?
Yes.
It
Don't talk about
tastes
if you
a
make
million times
if you
better.
make pot bacon then
It's a really tear, you know.
Oh,
I
yeah,
tell you
it's a
put the mini
fire
put too much
below.
on it.
later.
I'm gonna bring it down. Extension. But you got a plug in your room?
No, but I find you getting plenty for heat here.
Yes, I ain't got it.
So you don't want fan?
I don't feel so. I want napkin.
You gonna make it, you cause if you're burning if you get it too much.
Yeah.
You also need to put them in?
Yeah. I find that tomorrow fun. Just trying to say, you know.
Yeah.
Thank you all for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification so you can be notified on when I upload next. Stay tuned for my next video, which was recorded on the very same day where I got my hair braided for the very first time in many years. Please excuse the talking in the background because I live in a household with other folks that does not know that I'm recording a video right now, but it's okay. All in love, all for love. So I thank you all so much for watching, and bye.